Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a student, researcher, or academic professional looking for an easy way to write essays and research papers, then you're going to love what I'm about to show you. In this video, we're exploring Oreate AI, one of the most powerful AI tools designed specifically to help with academic writing. Whether you're writing a 500-word essay or a 20,000-word research paper, Oreate AI can help you write, edit, paraphrase, and refine your work in a matter of minutes. You can try it for free without even needing to log in. I've included the link in the video description below. Oreate AI is built to serve students, researchers, and professionals who need structured, readable, and original content. It doesn't just generate text, it generates properly formatted, plagiarism-free, and AI detection-proof content that reads as if a human wrote it. So if you've ever been worried about getting flagged for using AI-generated text, Oreate AI takes care of that too. Now, let me walk you through exactly how to use it and show you everything this tool can do. To get started with Oreate AI, head over to the website using the link in the description. You'll notice the platform has a clean and user-friendly design, making navigation simple even for first-time users. You can explore the tool for free without logging in, which is perfect if you want to try it out before committing. However, for full access to all premium features, you'll need to upgrade your account. Click on the Upgrade Now button, and you'll see that plans start from just $5.99. And here's the good news. You can use the promo code AIBOSS10 at checkout to get $10 off your purchase. Once you're logged in or ready to generate an essay, click on the Generate Essay option. You'll see three main choices on the dashboard: Upload Document, Generate Essay, and Generate Outline. For this walkthrough, we'll select Generate Essay. Start by entering your topic in the input field. You can write on virtually any subject. Next, select your desired word count. Remember, Oreate AI allows you to generate essays of up to 20,000 words in one click. That's perfect for longer assignments like dissertations or research papers. After that, choose the language you want the essay to be in and click Next. Oreate AI will then generate a detailed outline for your essay, including an introduction, multiple body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Once satisfied, click Next again, and the tool will begin writing your essay automatically. The result is a well-structured, readable academic paper that's free of errors, properly formatted, and completely original. After your essay is generated, you'll enter the built-in editor. This editor is more than just a text box. It gives you full control over your content. You can insert tables, charts, images, or hyperlinks. You can change fonts, adjust the size, and switch up styles. It's a complete editing environment designed specifically for academic work. One of the most impressive features of Oreate AI is its smart editing capabilities. You can polish your content by shortening or expanding paragraphs, summarizing sections, or continuing the text seamlessly. Whether you want to rewrite a sentence or make your content more concise, it only takes a couple of clicks. These features work together to make sure your writing is not only accurate but also professionally refined. Now let's talk about AI detection, which is a growing concern in academic institutions. More and more teachers and professors are using detection tools to flag AI-generated content. Most AI-written texts are pretty easy to spot and get flagged, which can be a big issue for students. But Oreate AI has addressed this problem by offering a humanization feature that rewrites your content to sound completely natural. We tested an essay generated by Oreate AI using a popular AI detection tool, and it passed as human-written. That's a huge benefit if you want your work to remain credible and undetectable as AI-generated. Oreate AI is a powerful academic writing tool built specifically for students, researchers, and professionals. Unlike general-purpose tools like ChatGPT or DeepSeek, Oreate AI is trained on academic data, helping users create high-quality essays, coursework, research papers, and journal articles with accurate structure and proper citations. It includes a built-in AI assistant, research tools, and a smart editor, allowing users to generate and refine long-form content up to 20,000 words in one go. What sets Oreate apart is its ability to produce plagiarism-free content that passes AI detection tools, making it ideal for serious academic work. It's fast, efficient, and designed to reduce your workload while maintaining quality. You can try it free using the link in the description and use promo code AIBOSS10 to get $10 off your plan. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tool reviews. Thanks for watching.